One last half-angle example. This example is slightly different because we don't know what angle we are dealing with, but we know that the cosine of full theta is 3/5, and we're interested in sine of theta halves. So we know the cosine of an angle. We are interested in the sine of the angle that is half as large. So let's pull out our sine of theta halves formula and see what we can do. So sine of theta divided by 2 equals positive or negative square root of 1 minus cosine theta divided by 2. Now I'm given this information that cosine of theta is 3/5. Now we didn't have an angle to evaluate here because we were given this information. There is no need to put 3/5 into cosine. You're given that it is the cosine value. You're not concerned about the cosine of this value. We put it in. I cannot emphasize that enough. Also notice that this value does not get written inside the original function because the value is just that. It's a value. It's post-examination. It's not a trig function of anything. So this equals the square root of 2/5 divided by 2, which of course is the square root of 2/10. And I can take the square root of a numerator and a denominator separately. I can rationalize that denominator. I can simplify that numerator. And then I can simplify my fraction even further. But of course the point here is that when you come across an example when you're provided with an already evaluated piece of information, don't let that confuse you by trying to put it in for a value of theta. That value stands for the entire trig function value of theta.